Naghanap ka ba ng rent-to-own minimalist house na accessible to Metro Manila? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. You can reserve this property for as low as 5,000 reservation fee. Minimalist house at may floor area na 42 square meters. Kaya naman makikita nyo na may enough space pa rin tayo para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. Ang lot size nito ay 36 square meters. For inner unit, kaya meron ka pang extra lot sa front at sa back for service area at pwede nyo itong gamitan for future home expansion. Estimated turnover ay second quarter ng 2025. Ang maganda nga dito ay hanggat hindi ka pa nalo-loan takeout sa Pag-ibig ay stop payment muna while waiting. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 9,785. Monthly down payment ay 7,500 for only 2 months. May available pa tayo na end and corner units. Located ito sa San Roque, Naik, Cavite. Walking distance to Naik Doctors Hospital. Near main road lang ang subdivision natin. Accessible to Manila dahil one bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Kaya naman kung hanggang ngayon ikaw ay nangungupahan, dito ka na sa ating rent-to-own minimalist house. Huwag nang magpahuli, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!